Welcome back to the shop. If you've never seen the outside of the wood shop before, here it is. It's an old barn, and I put a new roof on the barn only about 5 years ago, and the north side of the roof is already looking pretty rough. So in this episode, I'm going to clean the roof. I'm using a 50-50 solution of outdoor bleach, 1 bottle of bleach in the pump sprayer, to filling up this same container with water, 1 container of water, and there's your 50-50 solution. It's as simple as that. If you have trees and shrubs or decorative landscaping around your home, it's a good idea to wet them down first with the hose. That'll help prevent the bleach solution from doing any damage. Maybe even wet the landscaping down throughout the project. I don't have to worry about anything here with the barn, so I'm just going to go ahead and get to work. All right, here we are the next day. The roof has had some time to dry. I think it looks really good. There's a few trouble spots towards I guess that's the west side of the barn, the northwest side. But all in all, it looks pretty good. I think if I hit that again, I could probably get some of those dark spots to go away. But maybe I'll just spray some of the solution early on next spring. Maybe not even brush it in. I think that's important. The soft brush part, I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. Don't use a stiff brush because you don't want to damage your roof. You definitely don't want to power wash your roof. But the soft brush basically just agitated some of the dirt and kind of got it out of those more difficult to reach areas. Then just spraying it down with the hose. And of course, being careful on the ladder. For safety, I did use a respirator because you do create a mist with the bleach and water solution. I did talk about this a little bit on Instagram, and I got a suggestion of trying the same process with vinegar. It's more environmentally friendly, so maybe that's something I'll try sometime. But all in all, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And if you got a project like this in your future, I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.